All right, we're at the Hotel Breakers, room 3545, and it's nice and cool in here. Holiday weekend. We've got the 2 queen size beds. It's got an LG TV, little dresser here, little desk area here with 2 red chairs, big mirror over in the corner. You got a nice chair, 2 lamps. There's a plug-in right there. But over here, they do have 2 plug-ins for your devices, whenever you can charge up. Some of the wall art is of a Cedar Point rides. And then I'll show you guys the view. So we got the parking lot view. We've stayed here before and we've got a nice ocean view. This is the first time where we get the parking lot, but it gives us a view of all the rides, all the Cedar Point rides. I'll show you guys what the bathroom looks like. Oh, we do have a little mini fridge here and microwave, some pool towels, spot to hang some of your clothes, your coats, a shelf there, a luggage rack, a safe, and then here's the bathroom. Got some towels, decent sized mirror. They give you a soap, and then this is what the shower looks like. A step over shower. Okay, little wall decoration there, Cedar Point. But this is a look at a 2 queen bedroom with the parking lot view and the theme park view.